Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to put your Microsoft Surface Pro 12 on a lock screen. To do that, you have to open the Start menu, then Power Options, and then select Lock. This will immediately put your device on the lock screen, and you will have to enter your PIN code next time you want to sign in. But if you have a physical keyboard attached to your laptop, you can also press the combination of Windows and L buttons together, and this will result in the same thing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.